Hey everyone, this is Subhashmita and welcome to my channel The Short Girl Tales. So I have created this look for Eid. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, then keep watching. So here I'm using a lip balm to moisturize my lips, and here I'm using Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. So here I'm using Revolution palette, and I'm gonna use this shade to fill my eyebrows. And here I'm using Inside ka concealer palette, and I'm taking this orange shade to hide my dark circle. And here I'm using Fit Me ka foundation in the shade 228. I'm gonna apply it on my face and all over my neck. Then I'm gonna blend it using a beauty blender. Blend it nicely so that you can achieve a flawless base. And here I'm using Swiss Beauty ka concealer to highlight my under eye areas. And then I'm gonna blend it using the same blender. Now the powder I use is Miss Claire ka banana loose powder to set my foundation. Using Revolution ka eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this shade and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. This is a nice palette, guys. It's so pigmented. And then here I'm taking this shade and I'm gonna apply it on the crease area, and then I'm gonna blend it. Blend it slowly and nicely to avoid any kind of harsh light. And I'm also gonna put the same shade on my lower eyelashes. And here I'm using this shimmery shade and I'm gonna apply it on the inner corner of my eye. Using a brush. So here I'm using Lakme ka kajal, and I'm gonna apply it on my upper eyelid as close to as my lash line, and थोड़ा सा inner corner तक भी मैं लूँगी. Now apply it on my outer V. Using this brush, I'm gonna smudge it a little bit to create a small wing-like texture. I'm gonna line my lips with a liner. So here I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. And here I'm using NY ka lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick. So now I'm gonna remove the excess fallout using a brush. For the blush, I'm using Blue Heaven Cup blush. And for the highlighter, I'm using Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter Palette. I'm gonna apply it over my cheekbone, on my forehead, bridge of my nose, cupid bow and chin. I'm also gonna highlight inner corner of my eye. And here I'm applied false lashes, and here's the final look. Wish you all Eid Mubarak in advance, and if you like this video then keep like, share and subscribe to my channel.